And good day. Today we're having a look at this, an EBL battery charger. And it does 8 pieces, so a little bit different to your normal one. And EBL, I think, are on the right track here, because most battery chargers have only got 4, so you can only do 4 at a time. I'll show you why I believe you really do need a battery charger with this capacity. And so the journey begins. We have Xbox controllers, TV remote controls, not to mention the toys that require batteries. So you start off by buying ordinary batteries thinking that's great. It doesn't take you long to realise you're going to need rechargeable batteries. And then you look on the market and you think most battery chargers can only do 4 at a time. This is where the EBL comes in. Take a good look at this. It's got 8 battery slots. Now you know why we need a battery charger with this amount of slots in it, and I think most people would agree with me. It's handy to have. Now this is the box itself by EBL. This is the manufacturer, and we'll flip it over, have a look on the back here, and again another EBL logo. Oh, and another EBL logo. It's right round the box. And on the bottom here it's got as a feature, this charger can charge 2, 4, 6 or 8 pieces of AA, AAA, nickel metal hydrate, nickel cadmium rechargeable batteries. So that's quite a good amount, as they say. The interesting thing on here as well is when you turn the charger on, the LEDs will turn green. When you pop the batteries in that need recharging, the LEDs will turn red. Once they're fully charged, it'll turn green again. It also has a trickle feature, so once the batteries are charged, you can leave it plugged in if you like, and it'll keep the batteries trickle fed to extend the life on them. So it's quite a handy little thing to have. It also says on the box here it's got a worldwide voltage, so anybody and everyone can use it, which is very handy. Got a few little caution things on the side here, which is fairly sort of standard for electrical products. We have a battery charger manual, which is kind of handy. It's in multiple languages. I shall go a little bit slower for you and bring it up so you can read it. So it gives you a little bit of instructions and do's and don'ts on it in English, and then I think there's, what's that, German. What other languages have we got? We've got German, we've got French, what have we got here? Is that Italian? Usario, I think that's Italian. Clicking through again. Oh, that's Italiano. I wonder what that one is then. Usario. Don't know that one. Oh, well, someone out there will know what Usario is, and they'll let me know. Anyway, that's the manual. So it's quite handy. It gives you all the necessary information. Comes with obviously a plug suitable for your part of the world. Well, mine is an Australian plug, which is this type of fitting. I believe that's also a Chinese style plug. And we'll pop it in, put it on charge, and see what the batteries look like charging, funny enough. I thought I'd get the scales out and we'll weigh the batteries. This is an EBL 1100, and that's coming in, well, make up your mind. Okay, 13. Somewhere between 12.5 we'll call it. Now it's saying 13. Okay, so 12.5 grams we'll call that, just to be on the safe side. Put it aside. And we've got here, this is the AA battery. It's a 2800 milliamp hour battery. So put it down, see what it comes in at. It comes in at a hefty, what is it, 28 grams. So there's a bit of weight in that one. So that's good. We'll put it on the charger and see how they perform. Now let's turn it on for the first time and see what happens. Ah, there we go. Probably doesn't show. I'll put it up there. There you can see 4 green LED lights. We'll start by popping a couple of AA batteries up the top here. One, and as you can see, still green. Put the second one in. And there you go, turned red, so it's showing you that that's charging. Oh, actually no, I won't put another one of those. Let's put a AAA in next and see what happens. We'll pop it down, push it in position. I'll find another AAA, and we'll pop it down. Oops, I've got to get it in the spot there first. There you go. As you can see, it's turned red. Let's do another couple of AA batteries here and see whether it can handle it. Oops, I'm throwing batteries around everywhere. As you can see, one in, nothing happening. Second one in. And again, we've got the red charging light. Let's do the final ones, as you guessed already. AAAs, 1 and 2 for the AAA. There you go, 4 red lights. Let's leave this to charge now. Now, just before I go, I should also say you have a little card here which you've got contact up on the top 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can actually contact the company if you have a problem. And it even says smile, thank you on the back. That's rather cute, isn't it? So we put that aside. Now these batteries, which are the EBL ones here, they take 3 to 5 cycles before they become, full capacity, as they say. So you do get a little bit of variation. The same as with any battery when you first get them. They must go through cycles a few times. This particular charger should have these batteries charged, give or take, around about 12 hours from the moment I put the switch down. And that's basically all I can say. It seems to be working extremely well. I have no complaints whatsoever. And as you can see, I'm charging a multitude of batteries. And hopefully that'll keep the kids happy when they get back. They can run their Xboxes and remote controls and pop their toys in and gosh knows what, and I won't be hassled by them again. Whew, that was a mouthful. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video, and all the best till then. If you like my videos, please click the subscribe button and then go to the bell and select all. And you will be notified in the future of any new uploads that I put onto YouTube. Thank you.